Hey everybody, it's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies. We're back with the GG-1. I'm going to take off the name Frankenstein, maybe given the spooks or the heebie-jeebies. Now, if you'll take a good look, those are not the same leading trucks. Those leading trucks that I had were brass. The mistake I made was doubting myself and putting trust in something that was made by someone else. Those trucks were just terrible because they had very thin flanges. They constantly derailed. The metal on them was constantly touching and causing shorts. I replaced it with good old 50-plus-year-old Athearn metal trucks, which came from a rubber band diesel. Now, I know it's sticking out way past the nose there, and I'll have to work on that. But I might put a platform out there and make it a hybrid, like with a walking platform. Now, it's definitely cured the short problem. See that nice smooth takeoff? All the way around the curve. And if I stop it, she starts right back up and goes around the other way. So that's pretty good. Now, those wheels are not clean. I just slapped them on. I said, you know what? I've got to use different trucks. And it's pretty darn good. Now, the problem is I tried it running it around. If you go at full speed, it's a little top heavy. It'll flip over on a curve. But I've got to clean the wheels now and really align everything, figure it out. We'll see how far it can go, but I don't want it to fly off because there's some spots on here that are unsafe. Now, it just hit something. Let's see what it hit. Oh, look at that. The side bolt impacted. Wow, wedged it right in here. Wow, locked it again. See that? So that was interesting. Let's see if we could get it to keep going from that point. See, when you deviate, yeah, she's good. If I go back, she's just going to get caught because of the side bolts. So, hey, thanks for watching, and it's always fun. I'm going to have to put that aside for a while, come back to it. At least I got rid of the short problem. Thanks again, and we'll update it as time goes on, but we've got a lot of other projects to do, and thank you so much for watching.